Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to learn that is about the lesson number 10. In that, already we have learned inverse direct and inverse proportion. So, now today we'll be going to learn that is about the partnership. In that, what we are going to learn? Partnership. So, already from the word you have got to know that is what is meant by partnership. You have got an idea of that. But partnership, whenever we are going to start something, a business, whatever it may be, it requires money. So for that required, suppose one or two friends have start a business and they invest some amount in that. So that amount is called the investment made by the two friends. That amount is called as a capital. What is called? Capital. The amount investment by the two friends or the two people in to start a some to particular business, that is called as a capital. Okay, and in which proportion they invest money into that, that is called their investment. Okay, how much they have, or the investment, how to get the proportion of investment, how to get, how the you'll get your proportion when you invest in some business. Okay, so here are some examples which I'll be explaining for you. See, I'll uh, write it from this Jhelum and Atharva. I'll just read out for you. Jhelum and Atharva has invested 21,000, sorry, 2,100. Jhelum and Atharva had invested 2,100 and 2,800 respectively. Jhelum and Atharva to start a business. After that, they have made a profit of 3,500. Profit of 3,500. So how should it be shared? That is, they have got this profit, so how to share, how much uh, percentage, how to share this profit which they have got. So to get to know, to find this share, we are going to see. So let us find out the proportion of the investment. See, Jhelum has invested 2,100 and Atharva Atharva has invested 2,800 rupees. So we'll have the investment proposal. How you will get to know that their ratio? We have to find their ratio. So 20, it's the ratio. So I'll draw this for you. 2,100 and 2,800. So there you will get the investment ratio. This zero with the zero will go. So 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28. So their ratio is 3 raised to 1. Sorry, 3 raised to 4. 3 raised to 4. This is their proportion of investment. First, you have to find the proportion of the investment. Okay, then I'll rub this. This we have got 3 raised to 4, the investment ratio. Now the profit, whatever the investment ratio is there, in the same way, in the same proportion, their profit should be shared. So let the Jhelum's profit will be I'll write only P. Jhelum's profit will be 3x and Atharva's profit will be 4x. So if you'll add the profit, both the profits, you will get 3,500. So we'll write 3x plus 4x is equal to 3,500, because already it has been told us in the example, it has been given. So if you'll solve this 3x plus 4x, I'll solve it for you. 3x plus 4x that is equation. It has become 3x plus 4x, how much? 7x, 3500 as it is. We'll keep this x as it is, and this multiplication sign is a, so this will go to the left side, right? So x becomes 500. So this x is the, we have got the x amount, value of the x. This is x is 500. So now we'll put it in the Jhelum share. How much the profit they have got? Jhelum's profit share in it will be 3x. So 3 means x means we have got the value 500. Okay, do the multiplication. This 20 will keep as it is. 5 3s are 15. So Jhelum's profit share is 1500. Now you will calculate the Athar's share. Atharva shares of profit is 4x. So 4 is will be 4x. We have got the value 500. Keep it as 4 5s are 20. So Atharva's profit share is 2000 rupees. Understood? So first you have to calculate the proportion or the ratio between the shares. Then you will go to calculate the how much the share has been given. So in the same way you will going to solve. Okay, hope you have understood this. If you have any query you can ask me. What is the formula for this? Just
इंट्रोड्यूसिंग बायजूस क्लासेस। गुड आफ्टरनून। वेलकम टू बायजूस क्लासेस। इंडिया के बेस्ट टीचर्स बच्चों को पढ़ाएंगे।
hope you have understood. The first what you will find the ratio of investment. First, ratio of investment. Then second you will go to find the profit ratio, profit whatever it is given profit. Then you will find the third profit whatever it has been done. Okay, hope you have understood the concept. I'll send you the notes, you can write it down, go through the video again and again, that you will understand it easily.